Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to delete My Ether wallet account. If you are looking for a way to delete or get rid of your My Ether wallet account, then let me tell you that My Ether wallet does not offer the option to directly delete your account. The wallet doesn't hold your funds themselves but rather provide access to your Ethereum addresses via your private key. This means your account information isn't stored on MEW servers. So deleting an account will not impact your wallets or funds. So if you want to get a similar effect like deleting your account, you can simply delete your wallet. So to do that, first of all, open the My Ether wallet application and make sure to sign into your account. After you are logged in, from the main home page, go ahead and back up your recovery phrases first. Simply go ahead and scroll all the way down from the main home page and tap on Settings. Once you go to the Settings menu, tap on View My Recovery Phrase and enter your PIN code in order to reveal your recovery phrase. And simply write down your recovery phrases in a piece of a paper or store it somewhere else safe. Once you've backed up your recovery phrases, from the Settings menu, go and tap on Advanced Settings at the bottom. Now, tap on Reset Wallet and tap on Reset Wallet once again. Soon after you do that, you will then be able to delete your wallet or reset your wallet for My Ether wallet account. As long as you have your backup phrases, you can restore your account anytime you want. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.